So today we will talk about making passive income on Etsy, selling video invitations, as well as I will show you how you can create a video invitation in Canva like the one you're seeing right here on the screen. Also, you should listen to the entire video because I will provide a few tips on how you can make more money. So guys, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm new and I'm looking to grow, so guys, please subscribe, and a big thank you to those of you who took the time to do so. Okay, in this video I will show you how many persons are actually making money selling video invitations on Etsy. So I've just typed in the search bar, Etsy search bar, video invite, not even completing the entire invitation. And if you can see the amount of persons that are looking for different types of video invites, you know, that is pretty good. I cannot see, and in order to see the statistics here, the numbers, I'm using Etsy Hunt, which is free, and I, you know, would advise anyone to use it. So basically what you can see, you have video, birthday video, baptism video, Little Mermaid, and you know, it goes on. And of course you have to stay away from these copyrighted stuff like Little Mermaid and Paw Patrol and so forth, right? So let me show you some invites that are doing really good. So now we'll hop over to invites that are doing pretty good. We're looking at the best sellers and those that are popular now, and when you scroll down you will look at what Etsy Hunt will give you all of this stats here, and you see in this past 7 days 3 was sold, and in the total, and there was a total of 70 sales for this video invitation, right? And the person was also smart enough to put a video in the description, in the photo listings area, where you can actually have an idea of what this looks like. And look at it, it is so simple, right? It's very simple. Let's look at another one. We have this one. It only had one sale in the past 7 days. However, the total sales for this type was 33, as you can see right here. Let us look at the sample. Look at this. It is so simple. So when you click on the other page, it will show you the 4 different types of pages or slides that the video has. And look at this, it is a bestseller, guys, right? Then you have this one, which is one that actually blew my mind, but let us look at it. In the past 7 days it had 2 sales and a total of 178 sales just for this video, just for this one. We're not looking at the entire store sales, just looking at this one in particular, right? So videos, definitely do video invites actually can make you some passive income. Okay, so well, as you can see, guys, the proof is in the pudding, right? Okay, so I also want to go into the store, right? So this store only have 19 videos, so it's mainly video invites this store is made up of, right? And it only have 19 items listed. Most of these invites has 20 people have them in, more than 20 persons have them in carts. You know, it's pretty in demand, as you can see here. And this store only started in 2021. I'm not sure when in 2021 exactly, but it has a weekly sales of 219, and the total sales so far is 2,385. So I am not a math pro here, but let us do the math. Let us average. You see, most of the items were like $12, so let us average the cost to be, okay, so we have 2,385 times 12, right? So it's is not bad, you know. As passive income, this is not bad. And of course, you can increase the amount of listings in your store so you can make more money. Let's hop on over to Canva and I will show you how to create a simple video invitation. So what we'll do is go into videos right here and click on videos. So right now we're looking at the different type of videos you can create in Canva, right? So we have the mobile video and we also have Instagram Reels and TikTok Reels. All right, so if you look at the different sizes, these are all the same as the mobile video. So let us look at mobile video. You can also use the landscape version as well. Since we are recreating a video that I just showed you, we will use a mobile version instead. Okay, so as you can see here, in templates there are so many lovely video types or templates that you can use. So let us look at invitations. Wow, look at these invitations. These are lovely. And guys, these are so easy to create because most people don't have the time to create this, so they rather just purchase this online. Okay, let us look at the first one. Right, so we will not be making any changes, or just for demonstration purposes I will not change the information here. I'll just remove this and we will work with this for now. Okay, so let us go into click on videos on the side here. So I already was searching videos, so I actually have some idea of videos I would like to use. However, you can search into, let's say, whatever background you're looking for. So let us look at red and gold background, and you can get some option here where you can easily replace this just by double clicking on this, delete, and put another background. You see, what I like to do is use the holders, which would make it easier, the photo holders. Let's undo this and go into elements, and we will go click on the photo holder just like this. So when we are making changes, it will be easier for us to make the changes. Okay, so we use this video, drag it in, and let us play it. Have a look at it. Okay, this already looks great by itself. So we can also look at other types of backgrounds. So let us stick close to black. That was already there. So I think this is pretty nice. This is lovely. It's nice, it's simple, it's pretty. Okay, but we can dress it up just a bit. First of all, let us, how long do we want this? Okay, just for the sake of this video, let us shorten it and let us go into audio. So we will use this song here. Okay, so now what Canva did, it allowed you to control the start and the end of the song. So let us click on audio effects at the top here, and you will see you can fade in the song and you can fade out the song. I always love the strong fade out. Okay, so let us play it again. Okay, and what we can do, let us go into elements and search for gold birthday elements. Right, so we have some balloons and confetti and so forth. So what we can do is let us animate the names and information here. And I think we are fine. Let us preview this. Okay, so what we'll do here is duplicate this. So we'll duplicate this page and we can add something to this. So what we'll do is remove all the details. Looking forward to seeing you. Okay, so let me play this video right now again for you. One more thing though, I would love to add a transition. So in order to add a transition, you will have to click on the plus sign between the pages right here and click on add. You can add page or add transition. So we'll just click on add transition and we are done. So let us look at the entire video. Okay guys, so this is the part that you've guys been waiting for. So the number one way what you can do is also post your video invitations on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and Pinterest, on these 4 platforms. So it can be shown to more people, okay? Because the point of this is to get more business and make more money. Passively or almost passively, okay? So number 2, you can create a website where it can send all the traffic from the platforms to your website, okay? In that way, you're not sending them to the Etsy platform, and you'll also be avoiding any competition, okay? Although competition is not a bad thing, but you don't want your hard work go in vain. But when you send persons to Etsy, they will easily buy from someone else. So send them to your own website, okay? And point number 3 or tip number 3, ensure you add a watermark that says sample or your business name, or you can also add your logo, okay? So let me show you proof that people are actually doing this right now, okay? Okay, so I've already prepared these in advance, right? So we're looking at this account here on TikTok where someone actually created an account where they post video invitations right here, okay? So they have so many, and of course on TikTok they are getting a lot of views, okay? So as you can see, that person have 36,000 followers, all right? So what we have here is a lot of digital video invitations. Okay, so guys, we have this account here that has a few digital invitations, as you can clearly see right here. And that account has 5,000 persons, which is not bad. And let us lastly look on Pinterest. Okay, so on Pinterest we have some digital invitations here, and as you can see, look at this here, right? And that person has 1.1 million views on their platform. Look at this. This is great. This is a great opportunity, guys. I have 3 more great business ideas for you that you can start right now. So just click the video right here on the screen. Okay, until next time, bye.